here is the left catalytic converter. Oops. On my 2002 Chevy Avalanche. So that the ticking noise is here. Hear that? Bad catalytic converter. The right side don't do what the left does. That's that knocking noise. That has nothing to do with the engine. Then that oil leak, I think, is an oil pressure sensor. Or, you know, see up there? I think it's that leaking. I checked the inspection plate in there. Oops. I don't know how this phone's going to record this way, but anyway. It looked fine, the flex plate, everything. Now, the transfer case, I can get a little play in this, but like what I could do is, it's in very good shape. What I could do is just get the rear housing and the pump kit and everything else, and just the rear case, and put that on, and just do it that way. And then as for the fuel tank, there is a gas canister vent that's probably not opening and closing properly or getting any power, so I'm going to check that out a little later. Right here is a fuel filter. Look at how rusty that thing is. Yeah, it don't look good, does it? Needs some new U-joints on there. Let's see if I can hold this up here so you can... Sounds like the transfer case got a little play, but it's not bad. Maybe it's a little bit more than it should, but it's got oil in it. I just checked, but this is the ticking and knocking of the engine right here. You can hear it. So that's the engine noise there. This thing's shot. I'm not sure if it'll wreck the engine, but I'm not gonna spend any money and mess with old 2 sensors and stuff. Now, that's leaking a little bit, the axle seal, but not bad. So, I have to get some calipers in the front and brake spools, and the engine's good. That's good. I was hoping the engine would be good. But that oil leak, that could be the valve covers too, I guess. As the valve covers, you can see there's oil around the end tank. The studs are broken on the manifold. That's not good. You can see the oil right there. I'm going down to the manifold down there. So I'm assuming that noise you're hearing, that tapping noise, is that catalytic converter down there, because it's on the left bank only. And that's where it sounds like it's noisy at. So I'm assuming that's the problem right there. Hopefully. Because I put a screwdriver up to it and I can hear it. So not in the oil pan or anywhere. So okay, so I'm going to do some more work on this truck here, and we'll update you if I find anything else with it.